You guys find out I'm not a threat? You guys find out I'm not a threat? Don't bother me, okay? They just left. You guys are fools. Second part. They tried to open the door. They tried to open my door. Hey! Suspicious. Right. No, I need your name and I need his name.
You can go ahead and grab it.
Okay. Will they give it to me? Will they be professional and give it to me? Because they came... No. They came to my car and they tried to open my door. Hey, can I have your guys' name, please? Flores. An ID. And yourself, sir? Sir. Deputy. No, you don't trust. You don't go to my car and try to open my door for no reason. 161870314795553. You don't open my door like that. You guys don't go around and try to open people's doors, okay? That's not the way I roll here.